All right, we're gonna PPF this gear guard on the Rivian. Now, if you don't know, I'm assuming you do know, if you own one of these, to open it up, you just need to press this button here, or you can open it up from the inside. But we're gonna take and we're gonna do a full alcohol wipe. This is after your initial clean, your full decontamination clean, and after clay barring. Now we'll have to do our alcohol wipe. All right, so gonna go ahead and we're gonna open it up. And because our patterns have wrapped edges, you do need to clean in and around these wrapped edges. So get in there really good. And I do suggest also cleaning around the inside of the opposite panel, just to make sure no debris is traveling from in that crack into your PPF there. And then we'll clean the outside. All right, now that we've got it cleaned, now we're gonna go straight into install. Okay, now we got this cleaned already. Now we're gonna spray our slip solution on it. We're gonna grab our panel, figure out which way it is on here. Okay, so I'm gonna create a dry spot here for the edge of this panel to go onto. I'm gonna tack that down and pull back. Now that we got our piece laid on, I'm gonna spray some slip solution on the outside, and then also on there, a little more here. All right, now, as you can tell, we can move it around wherever we want. We're gonna grab our tack solution, and we're gonna get this top corner here tacked down. Now you can tell there's a little bit of wrapped edge right there. We're gonna line that up right to the edge there. We're gonna squeegee that down like that. Then we're gonna come over to this corner here. We're gonna give this a little bit of a stretch. It is gonna fold in like that, but that is okay. What I like to do then is just run my hand like this, drop a little bit of tack solution in there, drop a little bit of tack solution in there like that, and just with my fingers wrap that edge, and then come up here and just squeegee that upwards. Get a little more tack solution in behind there. And then over here, after you get all that, then we'll come over down to this corner. Get a little tack in there. Give her a little bit of a pull and stretch right into position there. Squeegee that down. And then come back here. Spray that with a little bit of tack and lay that into position right there. And now you can take squeegee down like that. And now it's just a matter of squeegeeing that down. Oops. Now we did have one little spot here that I got carried away and I tacked down too far here, so we're just gonna pull that back a little bit, and then we're gonna spray some tack all the way along here. And then just take and wrap that around. There we go. Now you can see we got a little finger here. We're just gonna take and spray some tack solution in there. Slowly squeegee that to the edge. Okay, now what you can do is you can open this up. And let it down. And flush out these edges with your tack solution. And grab a wrap glove. You can also do this with a squeegee like I've said in previous videos. And then wrap that edge. Just take your time. No need to rush it. Take your time, you'll have better results. Just continue working your way all the way around, wrapping that edge. All right. You need to see more while you wrap those edges. You can stand it up. Okay, so now we need to post heat it. So we're gonna take our heat gun and we're gonna go ahead and post heat all these edges. You can use a wrap glove or a microfiber, clean microfiber, to help just push it down without your hands having to touch the hot material after or while you're heating the material. This can also work good if you open it, especially since we're post-heating wrapped edges. Yeah, just work your way around, really getting those edges down and making sure they're post heated really well. After you get them heated and wrapped, just blast them with heat a little bit more. All right, yeah, just go over it with more heat around those edges, lock in that vinyl, lock in that PPF in place, and then you're good to go.